number line. So which way would be greater than -3? 0 is bigger than -3, 5 is bigger than -3, that stuff's all over here. Okay? All right, now, where do the arrows overlap? Where do they point at each other?
A little box.
Yeah, it's like that triangle kind of in that top corner. Do you see it?
I see it.
Okay, so up here is where you're shading.
We need like almond mascara.
Okay, I'll go to the store by Friday. Don't toss them for now, just in case.
Oh. I mean, there's some stuff, but they're just not very good.
Well, maybe I can order it and it'll be here in 2 days. I'd prefer to do that. We'll see. All right, you want to do one for a price?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
You know when he's gonna retest? Probably, and he's probably gonna have to say right now, 3 weeks from now. Oh, as long as it's.
My mom said it's okay if I fail tests as long as I retake them.
Yeah,
It's
same.
science, because
Just in science too.
I don't understand what Netflix.
No, when Harper raised her hand and she said, Mr. Hernandez, what have we learned?
And I have no idea, like.
Okay, hey. Do you remember how I said that you may not complain?
That's not complaining.
I'm recording right now. Kelsey, stop or I'm going to ask you to leave my classroom.
Hey.
Okay. You too.
I just didn't like that.
I know, I'm not saying give me an excuse. I'm saying stop. Okay. All right. So y equals mx plus b. These are the two that you're trying with your partner. Notice that one already looks like y equals mx plus b. One doesn't. Talk to your partner.
Macy, so.
So. And then let's do the top one like for minus sign.
Yeah. So what?
This is, so the top one.
Yeah. Okay, so now the
When I said it
bottom,
equals, I didn't mean it.
what, there's no equal for the.
There's no equal sign anyways. So it's like, okay, these are our equations.
Okay, so I have one right.
And the other one just stays the same.
Oh.
Hey, Kaylin.
Hi.
So I'm like,
So it would be greater though, so it would be going like this. Right? Start it.
Okay, so
Go down.
we're gonna be minus, we're gonna go down one. That's the top one, so down one, and then we gotta go down one over one again. Is it, it's a solid line.
and then the other ones,
She told me
less
to-
than, so.
Oh, okay. I think it would be going down.
So let's just.
Otherwise, if she can't get any by Friday, I will go.
And then.
We're gonna go up 3, 1, 3.
And then down one.
I got a lot of food, I won't be able to eat it until I leave at 12.
It's gonna be there.
I swear to
Wait, are you coming to the improv tonight?
So what do you show?
Really? Are you gonna improv?
No.
why are you
She prepare a lot. Fine, I will go.
Well, no, it's just improv, bro.
Why do you guys shade it? It'll be shaded below the bottom line down, because that's where that arrow is.
Well, then go for
But isn't it
something
also
else.
bigger?
It's the very first one.
Yeah.
So what did it, they point like this?
Yeah.
So what do we say? Did we shade anything?
What did you guys get?
What do we shade? I don't know. Cause they're opposite. you know?
Honestly?
Go out there and get it. Well, then how are we gonna get your food? Just right now.
I'm not gonna do it right now. I feel like it's how we do it.
I'm gonna watch his video later and scream.
Yes, good.
I just said that I genuinely don't understand science.
Yeah.
Did you start recording?
Yes.
You can literally see
I mean, it's not even, I just don't understand the subject.
Yeah. Yeah. I actually did good in Miss Biden's class for some reason. Probably because I sleep too much. I just did so well. It's not the whole school.
How are we doing? Can you catch Kelsey up really quick, please?
Yes, okay, so.
I assume she's gonna want Play-Doh if she gets called on, yeah?
Okay, so what we do
Everybody else good to go?
is we minus the
What'd you say?
X, so then it will be that.
Ooh, if they go away from each other, where's the overlap?
Nowhere. So we don't.
So it's.
So it's no solution.
See, she couldn't tell him anyway.
So I would just write no solution in the middle of the, yeah. But don't change
I
the
did, I accidentally did that.
The only time it would be infinite solutions is if,
This is like this.
Yeah, what do we parallel?
so it'd be like if they were parallel to each other and this one was shading this way and this one, no. If they were the same line and this one's shading this way and this one's shading this way, basically if the whole thing would be shaded for some reason, not just this half. But usually it's, no solution is a common thing though.
All right, we need this Play-Doh.
Has Play-Doh. All right. Everybody ready? Everybody in?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Please be one.
2.
No! Yes! No! It didn't work this time, did it? Oh, you fuck! Oh. Oh. Caitlin, it's okay. She's crying. Play-Doh!
She cries in science every day.
You actually crying?
Yes, like yesterday she bawled.
Yesterday she was actually crying.
And then when Macy dropped my pencil and my bubbler.
Yeah, lead poisoning.
You didn't stop me.
I
But
stood
that's
right
okay.
there.
We're gonna be quiet, we're gonna be polite.
Fight.
Quiet and polite, Macy.
Yes.
Do I have to do this or no?
Well, duh.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so you have to, for the top one, you have to subtract the x from both sides. And then
Okay.
you get y is less than or equal to negative x minus 1.
That one's already gone.
Yeah, so then you can go to the graph right away. So you have to do the first line, which is the y-intercept is positive 3. Then you have to go down 1 over 1.
Solid or dotted?
Solid.
Are they both solid this time?
Yeah. And the arrow should be pointing up because it is greater than. And then for the second line, you have to go down to negative 1 and then do the same thing, down 1 over 1. And it's a solid line. And the arrows are pointing down because it's greater than. Or less, one of the two. It's no solution.
Right, and and by the way, parallel lines aren't always no solution. If one's going down and the other's going up, that would
Yeah.
actually be infinite solutions, but if they're going away from each other, there's no overlap, there's no solution. Great job, ladies, grab your guys. All right, homework is, page 423, numbers 1 through 8 and 15 through 17. 1 through 8 are graphs. 15 through 17, I want to show you these really quick. Everybody look up.
Are we having a work day tomorrow?
Yeah. Everybody look up. This. Do you guys see what that is? That is you writing a system of equations. That means you're going to write like a y equals mx plus b for both of those and whether it's greater or less than. So you're just writing 2 quick equations.
Okay.
For those. You don't have to solve anything. You don't have to graph anything. You can do that. Y-intercept less than, greater than, slope.
I think we're not recording. I think